So the price action the past few days has been pretty wild, but still, price action is respecting the levels. It is actually respecting the levels very well. And not only that, but as we come to these levels, Market Cipher has been giving us the confirmations. And, these past few days, there have been some pretty juicy trades to take. And unfortunately, even though those were some, very clear trades to take, I missed out on both of these trades here. The only trade that I took the past couple days was a short from right over here. I pretty much just entered on the golden pocket retest after we got these bear divs outside of the value area high there. And so at least I was able to capitalize on a little bit of this volatility. Again, took that short from right up here. I took some profits out at some of these key levels. I TP'd there, and I had TPs set all the way down to this box that we got a bounce from. But unfortunately, I wasn't at my computer as we got that bounce, and it happened very quickly. And basically, by the time I realized that we had formed these bull divs as we came down to my level, pretty much getting a almost perfect bounce off of that untapped daily level, which if you watched my video from a few days ago, I went over this level. This was one of the levels I talked about in that video. And yeah, by the time I realized, we got a bounce from that level with my confirmations, it was already too late. We had already got to move all the way back up here, and pretty much I didn't want to take that risk to reward. Honestly, I wasn't expecting a move this high up. I was expecting to maybe just get a little retrace here and then maybe continue this downtrend. But we ended up getting a very large move to the upside from that level, and we got to move into another key level that I had marked out. I did adjust this a little bit because this level was a golden pocket, which I had to adjust for these new lows, so that moved it down a little bit. And we also had this NDPOC right here, lining up very nicely with that golden pocket, and so I did have this level marked out last night. But again, my sleep schedule got the better of me, and I missed out on this short right here as well. But looking at Market Cipher, especially on the 12-minute here, we got very clear signals here, both with the momentum and money flow as we came up for that last high there. So yeah, if you took these trades, congratulations. The trades have been very nice the past few days. And as for the trades I'm looking for next, I do have a couple of plans here. Firstly, I'm going to be checking for absorption if we come back up to this local golden pocket right here. It was looking like we could potentially get some absorption here, and it's still looking that way. If the CVD comes up and makes a higher high here, and the open interest can get a little move up here, if some longs start opening up here basically, but we still form a lower high in price action, then that may be a potential trade I'm looking to take, because these were some very nice signals here at this top, and we could get an opportunity to enter on a lower high here before we see a large move down. Even though on some of these higher time frames, it looks like we definitely have potential for more upside. It's a little uncertain here. Honestly, it could go either way. Even this 1 hour money flow is actually looking pretty nice here, but we have seen many times where the money flow just peaks into the green for a little bit and then just shoots back down into the red. Maybe we can see something similar where we just peak into the green for a little bit, fall back down. Maybe we get like another move up here, and that is one scenario I'm looking at. Also, I'm still watching this box, specifically the top of this box, maybe in between the value area high here and this daily level. There's also a spike in volume here. If I turn on my VPVR, you can see that spike of volume right there, which makes sense because it is the value area high, and this is also just a nice support resistance area. We've found support and resistance in this zone plenty of times before, so I'm still watching that area to potentially, take out those highs, maybe form some more bear divs on like the 12-minute or the 24-minute. And it would make sense, considering we came down and got a bounce from the value area low, that we would then make our way up to the value area high before potentially getting a rejection. And we also still have these zones of resistance above us. We got this NDPOC and previous support area right here coming in outside of the value area. So if we get a pump above the value area, this could be a place where we may find resistance. This golden pocket got moved down when I adjusted, so this zone that I had marked out is now a bit wider, but we got this golden pocket coming in right around this NDPOC. We also have an untapped daily level coming in between the golden pocket and the 786. So, this zone pretty much around these highs is going to be resistance as well. But in my opinion, the juicier levels are probably going to be this one right here with a value area high, and then this support resistance flip with the NDPOC right here. I think these two are some very juicy levels. And now for some support levels. We do have this little local value area low with this daily level right here that could give us some support, but the first really juicy level I'm looking at for support is coming in right around this daily open, because this daily open lines up very nicely with the value area low that we just got a bounce from, and it is in between this golden pocket and 786. So this like 16,400-ish level is looking very nice. And if we hold off on testing this level for a little bit, this daily open will turn into an untapped daily level. So in 44 minutes, when this daily candle closes, this will be an untapped daily. So yeah, I think that is going to be a juicy level of support there. We've already tapped this daily level and we hit this weekly level again, but it could still show us some support. We still got this 786 down here and this wick. I think these could both show some support, but again, the juicier supports I think are coming in below that, specifically in between 15,800 and 15,670. This untapped daily NDPOC and untapped 4-hour. This is some very juicy confluence right here. And then, we got the lows on this daily level. So, yeah, a lot of the levels are still the same. We've got a few new juicy levels here. But, hopefully Bitcoin continues with this nice price action coming to the key areas with the confirmations on Market Cipher. And now, if one of my alerts go off, I'm going to make sure I get to my computer as fast as possible because these moves have been quick and I don't want to miss out on another one. But anyways, that is pretty much all I wanted to go over today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Really appreciate the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.